Hey guys, Aaron McAnally here, handy therapist. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a standard light switch with a dimmer switch. So this is going to be in our bathroom, and we wanted to be able to dim the lights up or down, especially like in the middle of the night when you wake up and you don't want that bright light flashing you in your face. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you guys how it's done. So a few things that you're going to need are flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, some needle nose pliers or maybe some electrical pliers that have a wire stripper on it, and an electrical tester to make sure you're not going to electrocute yourself. Alright, so first thing, we'll go ahead and just take off this faceplate with flathead screwdriver. So faceplate is off. I already turned off the electricity. Just to prove that to you, I'll go ahead and turn this guy on, and I will show you that there is no electricity coming into that. If there was, this thing would beep a whole bunch like this. But it's not. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and take this switch off. If there's a whole bunch of paint stuck to that one, you want to kind of cut that so it doesn't end up peeling off a little bit of that paint as you're pulling this out. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. All right. So there's a couple wires going into there. So there's 3 wires in this case. There may be just 2 for a lot of folks. So this means that there's 2 wires, 2 hot wires generally going in. Then this top wire is going over to the actual light. So when it makes a circuit, then the hot wire goes and connects to the wire going up to the light. There's also a ground wire in most cases, unless you have a lot older house, then you may not have that. So we'll just go ahead and undo all of these wires. You don't have to take the screw out all the way. You'll feel it kind of come out, and then it'll kind of get harder to go. So right there, it kind of gets harder. And then you can just stop it there so you don't have to worry about the screw coming all the way out. There you go. A little trick for the ones that are kind of stuck in there where they're straight, you just kind of pull on it and twist the light switch and they come right out as well. So with the new dimmer switch, we actually aren't going to use any screws to screw these into the switch. We'll use wire nuts, which the dimmer switch comes with. Alright, so we'll go ahead. If there's a little hook on there, you want to go ahead and straighten that out before you put it into the wire nut. The others, and we'll go ahead and put these together. So these are the 2 that were on the bottom. Goes in nice and tight. Get the other black on black. And this green one goes into with the ground. So we'll go ahead and straighten that out. And put that last one on. Okay, so there it's all hooked up. Oh, that wasn't a very good connection. Go ahead and get that tighter. There you go, nice and snug. So that's all good. You want to clean these up, make it kind of like an accordion as you push them back into the hole. Now that those wire nuts are in there, it's not quite as much space, and these dimmer switches take up a little bit more space because they've got a little bit more mechanics to them. So go ahead and push those in there. And we will screw this in. So now all that's left is to replace the new face plate. Alrighty, and that's it. Now you just gotta go turn the electricity back on, and your new light switch is now a dimmable light switch. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put a comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if any other ideas about new videos I should make. See you next time.